Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Such a pathetic day, right? Volatility, nobody expected such a big gap down, more than 200 points gap down in Nifty, and Bank Nifty almost gap down more than 500 or 600, I think 700 points gap down. The reason is very simple. SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, which fell 60% yesterday. If you are following US market yesterday, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, all was down by more than 1.5%. And look at the timing here. Not when important data is going to come out. Today evening 7 p.m. there is going to be a important US data, which is the US non-farm payroll data and unemployment rate, which is going to come out by 7 p.m. and this time this bank is falling and we are having a domino effect. US market fell, Asia Pacific fell, and we also fell, right? And I don't know, we react to world market, but world is not reacting to our market. Do you remember Evergrande? There was a real estate company in China which was in the verge of bankruptcy, and Chinese market fell, we fell. I didn't notice any markets falling because of Adani issues. I don't know what to say. Today was a very hectic day for me. Lots of fighting from morning. I had to fight a lot, just to manage, just to stay afloat. That's it. No, forget the profit. Just to minimize the losses, at least we have to do something, right? So not only me, even our members all are in the red only because we didn't expect. Nobody expected such a big gap down, and that too when premiums are very low. You expect the market to swing so much. You just remember from last week to this week, we are already where we were. We touched last week, just 7 or 8 trading session back, we touched 17,350 levels, which was the budget day low, and we are somewhere there only. 17, it is just holding to 17,400, and Bank Nifty is just holding to how much? Maybe around 40,500 levels. It even didn't close above 40,500 levels. So Bank Nifty, budget day low is around 31,750 levels. In fact, we touched those levels and we retraced all the way to 41,600, 500 levels. Then such a big gap down in Bank Nifty. Right, I don't know what to say, what words to put, and I'm sure as a trader you would have suffered a lot. Not only me, everybody is suffering in terms of open interest, in terms of index future short. FIIs have sold a huge quantity today, and not only that, they have also increased their index short positions in future. So this is all going to be a very negative, positive news, and still we don't know what is going to happen in terms of unemployment rate and US non-farm payroll data. So if that also comes negative, we are going to be in big trouble. Maybe we'll gap down again on Monday. We'll have to see. We'll see one by one. In terms of Nifty, if you see Nifty, this is the Nifty Bank Nifty chart. This is the Bank Nifty chart. And what we can see is still Bank Nifty is resilient when you compare it with Nifty. So Nifty almost was down by below 17,400 levels, but Bank Nifty was kind of resilient. It was not going down. It was trying to hold 40,500, but it was not able to hold 40,500. All the banks, banking sector, all the stocks were in the red. That's what this is a domino effect. Apart from AU Small Finance Bank, all the banking stocks were in the red. See, we are already having Adani issues. Then Reliance was down by more than 5% in the last 2 days. We don't know what is the story behind Reliance. Now this SVB issue, Silicon Valley Bank issue is coming up. So we'll see if it is testing this when it comes to support in Bank Nifty. 39,750 level should hold, which is again I'm saying budget day low. And in terms of Nifty, I'm sure as of what we observed today is it was trying to hold on to 17,400. It was super volatile, right? So it was swinging up and down all the way from it was just trying to cross 17,400, but it couldn't. So we are seeing a doji or shooting star or hammer, something like that in Nifty. And in fact, Nifty touched budget day low of around 17,350 level. 17,300, 350 level was a budget day low. So all day long it was zigzag movement, and I'm very confident that at least this level, 17,400, will hold. That really depends on how US markets are. US market, as I talk to you, is swinging in between green and red. I don't know how these things are working. When our market were closing, Dow future was down by 200 points. Now it's just 72 points. And look at SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is showing green. I don't know how these people are. See, looking at the SGX Nifty or looking at the US futures, we could have done some adjustment. We would have extended the range on the downside. Now, if it gaps up tomorrow, then will be problem. But at the same time, if it gaps down also, it is going to be problem. So anyway, there is no other way. You will have to live with this, right? So as of now, Dow Jones. Anyway, this is not significant because after US farm roll data, non-farm payroll data, and unemployment rate comes, I don't know whether it is going to come in positive numbers or negative numbers. We will post that in our Telegram group. If you are not in our Telegram group, the link is on the description below. You can join our Telegram group. So we don't know how that is going to span out. So we'll wait and see if US data comes in a positive range or in a negative range. And in terms of open interest, what we can see is people are writing 17,400 short straddle. Literally, there is no put writing at all. Today, they haven't written any puts at all. And apart from 17,400, there is small amount of 17,300 put option. So highest open interest is at around 17,500. So can we assume that 17,500 will not be taken on the higher side? That we really don't know. So smart money believes that 17,500 might not be taken out in terms of Nifty. So that's why they have written huge number of calls in 17,500. And Bank Nifty also, literally there were no put writing. Like Nifty, 40,500 people are writing short straddles. 40,500, you can see 40,500 people are writing short straddles. There are more calls than put. So highest put is at calls are around 41,500, 41,000. This 40, even that 41,000 strike, which is having around 2.5 million open interest, even that 40,000 is not having. So weaker, so downside we are looking weaker. So if there is any bad news in US market tonight, then it's going to be a bloodbath in India also. And participant wise open interest, what is happening is US future index short position, FIAs have increased it from 111,000 active open interest contract to 138,000. So yesterday it was 111,000. Today it has been 138,000. So that is a significant increase in open interest. So they are expecting the market to come on the downside. And last but not the least, FIAs have sold around 2,061 crores, and FIAs, DIAs have bought around 1,350 crores. FIAs have sold 2,061 crores and DIAs have bought for 1,350 crores. Okay, so this is about the market. I hope you have hedged your position. Very important data. Make sure you are aware of the data, and we have informed this in our Telegram channel also. Yesterday's video also I have informed. So tomorrow is going to be, today evening is going to be a very important data. Whether we are going to see green or whether we are going to see red on Monday depends on tonight's US market closing, right? So I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.